What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kalila, and if you are new here, please go and subscribe. Okay, so today, y'all, I'm gonna kind of be giving you like a little update on my retwist and trying to answer the main question everybody wants to know: does the retwist lock faster? Quick little update. My twist is still doing fine. I have retwisted these, as you guys know. I did take 2 of these down and make it a braid, so that's kind of just like an update on my locks in general. But as far as my retwists go, I don't really get much unraveling. I get unraveling once I shampoo, I should say. Once I shampoo, it does kind of loosen up a little bit, but then I retwist and it's back tight, nice, and right? So as far as that, I don't really do much of anything else to as far as my lifestyle goes. I'm not doing anything else for the locks to slip or unravel or anything like that. So that is that. They're still doing good. The last shampoo video I think I did, retwist video, you can see even after I shampoo, the twist is still there and everything like that. So now, as far as does it lock faster, I don't know. I do not know yet. It still has not been long enough yet. If I were to compare my interlocks, so backstory, I was interlocking a year. I started my twist with 2-strand twist. I interlocked for a year. The most part was 3-point rotation. And at 1 year, I switched over to twisting. So I'm now a 1.5 years locked. So I've been twisting for 6 months. So if I were to compare my first 6 months of interlocking to this 6 months of twisting, neither one of those were locked. Okay? Neither one of them were mature. Now, going back to 6 months of interlocking, it looked a little more locked because, as I always say, one of the best reasons of interlocking is that it looks locked. So it did look a little more locked because I had interlocks in my hair. So, but it was clearly not. When I look back at my 6-month picture I took, it just looked like some coils. It looked like some 2 strands, some coils or something like that. It didn't look locked at all. I feel like my interlocks did not lock until I was maybe around 8 or 9 to 10 months. When I noticed it, I did take a little video of it, and it's maybe like a 2-minute video of showing my maturing, my texture. That's when I really noticed my hair was maturing. So it had to be around like 8 or 9, maybe 8 months or something like that. So definitely not at 6 months. At 6 months, it didn't look locked. At 6 months, the retwists do not look locked. Only part that looks a little mature is when I first started my twisting. So the right above the interlocks. That's about it. Now, if I have to say, still to this day, I still feel like retwist or twisting, coils, all that locks, of course, to me faster, just because that is the traditional way of lock. And if I'm not mistaken, it's the preferred way. Not braids, not twists, not interlocks. The preferred way is coils and stuff. But of course, with ours being Microlocs, it is a little harder. With interlocks, with Microlocs, sister locks, all that, definitely interlocks are best for our locks because they're so small. I don't see any really maturing yet, only when I first started twisting. So as far as everything else, it still looks like the beginning stage of a coil. I would love to keep twisting for a year to see the comparison, to see if it locks faster or not, and go back and, compare the two. But I honestly cannot say that I will still be twisting because, like, I know next summer I want to take swim lessons. No, I can't swim. No, I can't, but I'm about to learn. Okay, I'm about to learn. So I know I want to take swimming lessons once it starts to warm up or once they're offered to take. And I know me having twist in my hair, those boys is gonna come right down. So it really just depends on your lifestyle, if twist is better for you or if interlocks are better for you. And I know at that point in my life, they would not be better for me. When I chose to twist my hair. It was not for lock reasons. I did not choose to switch to it because, oh, it locks faster, or, oh, Interlocks, I just hate them. It was not for any lock reason. It was for personal reasons, which were basically, I was considering taking my locks out. So I didn't feel the need to interlock my hair when I was planning to take the locks out. I decided to go ahead and keep my locks. I was already twisting. I kept twisting. But it was not like, oh, Interlocks are the worst and Coils are the best. Like, I didn't do it for anything like that. So I switched for personal reasons. So if I switch again, it's definitely for personal reasons. If I go back to Interlocks, 10 times out of 10, I will be sticking to Interlocks. I wouldn't switch back to Coils again. I do love the Coils. It is quick, it's fast, it's easy. The Interlocks do take quadruple the time. But they do last. You don't have to worry about anything unraveling. Needless to say, I haven't had that issue. But yeah, y'all. So I do not know what locks faster. I will post some pictures of my 6 months interlocked and then my 6 months twisted, so you can see if there's anything to you that may look different. I'm gonna see what I have and we can compare. But yeah, guys, I hope this was helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all, bye.